lot of you must have already heard about what I do and are very interested to know, how it is done as well. Now, one needs to understand that cannabis, just like any other plant, is filled with sub-compounds and has 550 plus compounds, which are used for various ailments. We have cannabinoid system inside our body. Just how we have digestive system, respiratory system, we have a cannabinoid system, CB1 receptors and CB2 receptors. So all these various compounds, please don't get stuck with only THC. There are so many more which are saving lives, especially CBD for that matter of fact. There are other speakers who have been involved in sports injuries. And trust me, around the world, people like MMA fighters as well, Olympic swimmer like Philip, right? And not just him, a lot of boxers, Mike Tyson, the biggest name. How many of you know Mike Tyson here? He just started world's biggest cannabis ranch, medical cannabis facility, and has launched his medicines, all right? I'm not here to actually share what the world is doing, but I'm here to share how this cannabis changed my life. Hence, I took up the challenge, once I was completely cured, to actually find a way of not smoking it. Why smoke something wherein it is supposed to be a medicine or in a certain form? At that time, I was not addicted to a certain habit which was filling a void, right? But because I utilized a method which is involved in certain activities, it can lead to addiction. We as humans are designed that way. Hence, I connected and I collaborated with people from UBC, people from various countries, really good people from India as well. There are diplomats, all right? There are ministers. There are IAS, IPS, district magistrates, sarpanches, farmers, everyone out there who are looking to help us and have helped me. So in the last 5 years, my last 5 years have been in the rural country mostly, in 5 states physically and 3 states virtually. So in the last 5 years, the states which have legalized cultivation of medicinal cannabis and industrial hemp started with Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is really advanced. It just allowed farmers to actually grow medicinal cannabis under certain laws, and they can apply online. You see how far we've come from the time I was actually looking up online and the ways. Cannabis is a part of ancient medical systems, Siddha, Ayurveda, Unani, the Chinese medicine system, Buddhism medicine system, Sri Lankan medicine system, Native American medicine system. They all who actually believe in an entity which is, somewhere higher than us, they also say that this plant helps, right? And now when we sit in 2020, a little fast forward, with these 6 states legally, with Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Manipur, these 6 states allow legal medical cannabis cultivation and industrial hemp under a certain guideline. I'm not going to go in depth about that. I am going to share something about, on the personal front, how just talking about cannabis day in and day out, I got to know about a lot of other things. For example, in 2019, Porsche launched. How many of you know Porsche as a brand? A lot of you, I'm guessing a lot of guys are there. Come on, yeah, sad you don't know Porsche. Okay, Porsche launched a hemp-made sports car in 2019. Wow. In 1949, Ford had already done that though, But again, because this is a bigger name, this is a sports car, everyone is talking about it. We are here at, at BITS Pilani. The biggest business for them has been cement, right? They're the biggest suppliers and manufacturers of cement. So in 2019, there have been multiple awards given to companies dealing with hempcrete and hemp cement. The beauty of it, Kedarnath also has hemp cement in it. The Kedarnath structure, the Jyotirling structure, that actually has a bit of hempcrete in it. The Ajanta Ellora caves, the Kala Kailash, basically, in Alibag, that has a layer of cannabis oil on it to retain the stone structures. Here, I am trying to say that even in the past, we were so well aware of the benefits of the plant. And today, when I stand over here, I have a lot of guidance, I would say, from a lot of teachers around the country, a lot of doctors around the country. What I really need is some support from the students as well. The reason I have taken this talk, especially today, is the reason we are not getting a blanket rule in the country is because of all of you. You guys are stuck on recreational only. Start talking about medicinal, industrial, and everything else. Then it automatically goes behind, because everyone understands. At the end of the day, for sleeping, for muscle relaxant, and for so many other things, there are industries. So this has become in India finally an industry, which if I'm not wrong, there are about 25 companies today as we talk in India with the licenses, legal licenses. I've consulted a few of them, and I'm really looking forward to at least have one or two of you to have your innovation lab center utilize these ideas into something legal. I always made it a point that I went ahead and I followed a legal path. I went and I shared my reports with the ministers, with the IAS, IPS, sarpanches, as I said, villagers. Doesn't matter. There is a legal method to it. NDPS, when you really read, you will understand the legal method was already given to us. It's just that we were so lazy, we just read half of it, about personal, growth of it, not about how companies can actually use it since the time it was made. And with that, I am, going to say thank you, all of you. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thanks a lot.